Hey guys, so today we're going to be testing out the blender sponge that I found at the local Dollar Tree. I have been searching everywhere for this and I finally found it in stock. I wanted to try it out and test it against my Real Techniques beauty sponge. This is my everyday used item that I use to apply my foundation. So I wanted to try this out from the local Dollar Tree for $1 to see how it actually compares to something that I feel works for me personally, and if this is worth $1 or if it's just total garbage and not to waste your money on it. So this is the Dollar Tree brand Sassy Chic blending sponge. First impressions is it's a little bit more dense than my Real Techniques makeup blender. This one's softer and has more give, whereas this is just a little bit more dense and harder to push down. This one's more soft. So that'll be interesting to see how that compares. Obviously, how they look is vastly different as well. This has the peak, this has that as well. This is at an angle, this one is straight up and down. This does seem to have like a holder on it, and then you also have the butt of it. And then this is obviously contoured to really get into your face. Okay, so how I usually use my blender is I get a little damp and then use my foundation, my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, just like normal, to see how it really does compare to my everyday use. I'm just gonna rinse it off and rinse it out because I don't want anything that might be really bad for my skin to go on my face from it. It actually got way bigger than before being wet. That's kind of weird. Now it's like a little bit more spongy, so that's interesting. Maybe you just need to add water to get it to work. I don't know, that's kind of weird. Okay, so this is after using the Sassy Chic blending sponge from the Dollar Tree. I do feel like it doesn't really blend very well. It kind of just lets it sit on the face and just doesn't really work the makeup into the canvas of my skin. But the only way to do an accurate compare and contrast is to wash this off and then apply my foundation with my normal Real Techniques beauty blender knockoff and look at the footage afterwards and really compare and see if the Dollar Tree blending sponge is really worth the little bit cheaper than like the $4.99 for the Real Technique. Alright, so here is with the Real Techniques. It was very apparent to me once using this makeup blending sponge that it actually distributed the foundation everywhere on the face, whereas this one I kind of really had to work into my skin and to kind of move it around. This just like really distributed it very evenly and I didn't have to use as much. I didn't actually have to go in for a second application, whereas I did with this one. So I feel like this one I would use less makeup actually than this one, and I feel like the material of this, if that's really what it is, because that's really honestly the only difference, like they're pretty fairly shaped the same, but the material that's in them is what makes the difference. And the Real Techniques, even though it's just a little bit more than the Dollar Tree Sassy Chic blending sponge, this one I feel like is better for your money's worth. So this one's $1 and this one's like $4.99 at Walmart. And I think that if you pay just a little bit more to get the best makeup ability application tool, I would definitely go with the Real Technique. And you can actually get these on Amazon as well. If I find an affiliate link, I'll link it down in the description below. That way you can click in there and purchase it if you're interested in it. And I do get a kickback for that. It's just another way to help support my channel. So always look in the description box for that. These are the results that I give you guys. It's up to you to determine if this is something that you even want to purchase for yourself or not. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful and informative. Remember, check out down below my subscriber shout out for this video. And if you want the chance to become my next subscriber shout out, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That way you can help support me and become part of the Panda family. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, I love every single one of you. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.